Hello class 1, how are you? I think you all are keeping well, children. Yes children, today we will do one poem in your English literature. This is your English literature book, New Mulberry, isn't it? So all of you take out your book and then open your book at page number 57. This is 57 page number of your book, isn't it? And we will do one poem today, and the name of the poem is Out in the Garden. Out in the Garden. So all of you take out your book and open your book at page number 57. Are you all ready? Yes, children. And I know that all of you love to play. Isn't it? You all love to play. Some of you love to play indoor games and some of you like to play outdoor games. Isn't it? So when it comes to outdoor game, where do you go to play? Generally we move out of our house. Isn't it? We go to the garden to play. Isn't it? All the children like you all love to play in the garden. So in this poem, we will learn about a girl who loves to play in the garden. Okay. Now can you think of some games that we play outside? Can you name some outdoor games? Yes, I think you can, isn't it? Football, volleyball, then you can play, you can fly a kite, isn't it? These are some of the games that we can play outside. These are called outdoor games. And indoor games are like carom, ludo, all these are indoor games, isn't it? So here in this poem, Out in the Garden, we will learn about a child, a girl, small girl. See, this is the picture of the girl, so cute like you all, isn't it? So she loves to play in the garden like you. Yes. So let us read the poem. Okay, we'll recite the poem. You will also read along with me, okay? Out in the garden one fine day, with my ball I went to play. I bounced it right, I bounced it left, I bounced it well on one fine day. Done. Next part. Out in the garden one fine day, with my kite I went to play. I flew it right, I flew it left, I flew it high on one fine day. Okay, so this is the poem. You have to learn the poem properly. Okay, children, I know that you will do this. So, here when we go through the poem, we have found that a child, a girl is playing in the garden on one fine day. Means it was a beautiful day when a girl went to the garden to play. And what she was playing with? She was playing with a ball. She was playing with a ball. With my ball I went to play. Means the girl went to play. She went to the garden, out in the garden to play with a ball. Then she bounced the ball. I bounced it right. So bounce means what? Hit it. She hit the ball on the ground so hard that it came back up. Okay, this is called bouncing. Bounce means when we hit something on the floor so that it comes up back. Okay, so it is called bounce. So the girl, she bounced the ball first right side to her right side, then to her left side. Okay, so then she bounced it well on one fine day. Next, out in the garden one fine day, with my kite I went to play. Then out in the garden one fine day, she took a kite. Okay, with a kite she went to the garden to play. Then what she did, I flew it right. In the same way, she flew the kite to her right, and then she flew it to her left. Okay, then I flew it high. Then she flew it high on one fine day. Means on a beautiful day. Okay, this is all about a girl, okay, who likes to play outdoor, who likes to play in the garden like you. And on one beautiful day she went to play out in the garden. First she played with a ball. What she did with the ball, she bounced the ball at first towards her right, then towards her left, and then she bounced it well on that fine beautiful day. And then she took a kite. Then with the kite she went to play out in the garden. Where she was flying the kite in the garden. Okay, then she flew it right. At first she flew the kite right, and then she flew it left. Then she flew the kite high up, okay, on that fine day. Okay, so children, all of you learn the poem properly, learn the spellings, okay, so that you can write in the exam without any mistake. Clear? So, for today we will wind up the class here, and next day we will do the exercise. Okay, thank you.